Hi, my awesome friends. First of all, I want to thank you for your wonderful, warm responses to my last video. It really helped me to put things into perspective and realize that I may be going through something, but I'm not alone, and my heart goes out to you with your trials. But I want to dust myself off and tackle one of the tasks that I have not been avoiding, but I've been overthinking, and that is the remodel of the MINNIE. I think this is the perfect time to keep my mind focused and busy instead of thinking about the other things that will pass with time. As an interior designer, it has been a little bit challenging for me to approach the remodel because there's so many options and I have perhaps too much information, and I was wondering, how do people tackle this task? But from my perspective, I am going to address it the same way that I would remodel a home. The first phase of an interior design remodel is called programming. And during this phase is where the interior designer would meet with the client and ask a lot of questions, even very personal questions, because as a designer must keep in mind what the customers or clients' needs are now and in the future. Who is going to live in this space? How is this space going to be used? What do you want? And all of those questions, they may seem a little bit too personal, but they're very necessary to create a design that's going to be lasting, but most importantly to me, functional. So that is what I'm going to do. And one of the first steps that I will take is to make lists of the items that I need to purchase or research. I have determined what items I need. I have done my shopping. In a couple of days, my materials are going to arrive and I'm going to start the process, and I will film as I go. Here is the bathroom. What I want to do is to refinish all the shower. I'm gonna paint it white, everything white. I need to change the shower head, everything very well. I want to remove these doors and use these shelves as my garden. I want to put my plants here. And whatever space I'm going to miss there, I'm going to add a couple shelves here and a couple shelves here. I plan to paint everything, but I'm thinking that for the cabinet area, I want to find a really cool wallpaper, and I'm going to use wallpaper for that because everything else is going to be white. Also, I'm hoping to find white cork flooring because that's what I want to do for the floors, cork. So this is the inside of the bathroom for the before, and for the cabinets, for the closet, I don't know, I want to get creative here as well. Another day, and a few of the items that I ordered have arrived. So today I'm hoping to do cleaning and clearing the room, and let's see what we got. Let's start the cleaning. It's getting warmer, but I'm almost done with the cleaning part of the tub area. And after I do that, I'm going to start spraying the primer before I'm ready for painting. This is the tub. It's clean, but it still looks yellowish. I really want to clean everything very well before. Look at this. I did it. Wow, this is awesome. You gotta wear protection. Let's do this. Day number 3 of the remodel. When I was spraying this, it's super toxic and a regular mask will not help. So I had to go and get this respirator. I am your mother. Today I am going to paint the countertop, and then I'm gonna seal it. Hey friends, I want to give you a quick update of what I have done so far for my bathroom remodel. It is gonna be a budget-oriented remodel because with the latest changes in my life, I want to be very wise about the moves that I'm taking. So let me show you what I've done so far. Here is the shower pan, and it looks 100% different than it used to look. It turned out very well. I use 5 cans, and this has 3 coats. I haven't installed the new shower head yet because I want to wait until everything is done, but so far it's looking great. Here is the painted countertop. I am not quite done with it yet because I want to see the end result first, and then I'll make up my mind if I want to leave it white or I want to do something else. And you may see a little bit over there, but I want to reveal that later when everything is done. The walls are ready for the next step, but that is what I have done so far. I'm very happy of how things are coming along, and I'm hoping to reveal the remodel in the next video. Stay tuned and please come back for the reveal. Ciao.